friends, it's Gabby back here in front of you, and today I will do my what's in my backpack video. So before I start, I'm gonna mention that number one, I've done this multiple times and I've had the same bag, but it's okay because the stuff in it is different. So yeah, that's what matters. Second, this video is in partnership with HighOh, and they are a company consisting of 3 people, Sari, Shenyi, and their dog Shippo. So they kindly sent me menstrual cloth pads. I just wanted to thank them real quick for making this video possible and for sending me their products. I haven't tried them honestly because, not to be TMI, but I was planning to make this video like during the time I have my monthly cycle, but it didn't happen because I have an irregular cycle, so I didn't get it this month. So yeah, I extremely apologize to HighOh, like Sari, Shenyi, and Shippo for not sending this in time because I was waiting, but it wasn't happening, so I'm really sorry. So quick disclaimer before I start this video, I will show cloth pads obviously. So if you don't want to see that, you can quickly X out, but without further ado, let's get started with this video. First off, this is my bag. You guys seen this in my channel multiple times. So this is the Fjallraven Kanken backpack, and it's I think 15 inches in size. It has one pocket on the side. It's kind of dirty right now because I've been using it a lot in school, and the school is kind of gross and dirty, and whenever I clean it, it gets lighter, and I'm kind of weirded out by it. So probably in the future I'll buy a new backpack. So yeah, anyway, let's head on to this part of my bag. So the first thing in here is the HighOh menstrual cloth pad. So this is the product that HighOh kindly sent me, and this is the wet bag, and inside it comes with 6 menstrual cloth pads. It's here, all 6 of them. The thing I like about this when I first received it was that it's like, it could be folded and covered like this, so it doesn't really look like a cloth pad to me. And also it has these 2 snaps, so you can secure it on your underwear, and it has this lining that has leak-proof technology. It is made up of natural bamboo charcoal fibers. That kind of material is both eco-friendly and very durable. So, and then here in the back it's also waterproof, so that's cool. So yeah, you can stuff it in your bag and people would not know. Another thing is that for every set that you buy, they donate 1 cloth pad to someone else. So you're helping yourself, the environment, and other people. That is so good and helpful, and I completely support their brand because of it. Also, the pads last up to 3 to 4 years, so it's good for you, it's good for the environment, and you don't have to spend a lot compared to like disposable pads. It also claims to reduce menstrual cramps because of the lining. So moreover, they also gave me a 10% discount to anybody who wants to buy it. I'll have it on the screen right now. If you want to buy your own set, go ahead. It's $25.99, so technically $26 on Amazon. I will link it down below. The code on the screen, put it there, and you're gonna get 10% off. So yeah. Back to the backpack video. The next thing in here is this zip it that I got from my best friend Nicole, and in here I have basically my house keys. My house keys are here, and a CVS card, and this cute little Buditama keychain, and a rec center kind of thing. Next I have my hair roller right here because I have bangs. I want to keep them like neat and tidy, and also I don't want them to hit my eyes when I'm working. So yeah, I have this. Next I have washi tape. I'm almost out of it, so I gotta get another one. The next thing I have is my ID. I don't want to show it to you guys because it has my school. So this is my ID. This was my last year picture, so probably by the end of the month I will get a new one. Moving on, I have hand sanitizer. I think this was a gift from Justice, so hi Justice. Yeah, I got this from her Sweet 16. Then I have a lip tint from Peri Para. I'm kinda out of it, so I think I'll buy another one. I have more washi tape actually. I also have breath strips and 2 lip balms. This one's for like extra dry days, and this one's just like basically every other day when I feel like my lips are dry. So yeah. Next I have my calculator because school. So that is all here in the front pocket. So we move on to the one here. I didn't really clean this out before filming this video, so I think it might be a little messy. First thing is my pencil case from Muji. Holds all of my pencils, pens, post-its. I don't know what else to say. Pretty much school stuff. I like putting it here beside me, so if it's like there, it's just like a pile. Next thing is my binder. It has my schedule and everything, and like some paper stuff. I don't really use this as often because I have notebooks for my classes, and I don't like binders because they're really bulky. The next thing is my bio book. I also have some like paperwork here, but like other than that, it's just a regular book with a book cover or book sock. And yeah. Next thing I have are headphones because I ride the bus to school and from school, so I don't want to be bothered. Up next are these notebooks. So I have 2 like notebooks that look like this. I really like these. So yeah, this one's for algebra honors, this one's for English. Yeah, this has a lot of stuff. My algebra teacher gives a lot of work, so I have a lot of paper stuff. I have a lot of papers here. I don't put them in my binder because I lose them. So basically English, I only have a few notes. We don't really write in English. We like mostly listen, and like we usually read. So yeah. And then these 2, I got these last year, but I never got to use them. So I just reused them this year. This one's for Chem Honors. I doubled up in science this year so that by next year I don't have to take any sciences. But yeah, this has a lot of numbers. And then for bio, also a lot of writing. I like writing, so yeah. All of my notebooks are from Walmart. Moving on, we only have a few things left in here. Next thing I have is my planner from Muji. It's just a regular planner. I've had the same kind every year. And then moving on, I have this Lord of the Flies book. So the smoke cake, this is my favorite snack, so I have it. I kind of squished it, but I'll still eat it. And then last but not the least is this wallet of mine. I have a lot of coins, honestly. Here's the inside. I only have receipts here and like $2, but I used this during the BTS concert, which I have a vlog of it, and I will upload it probably soon because it's really long. Yeah, I have a photo card of Yoongi because somebody gave it to me during the concert for free. And then I have the thing where you get points in the Big Hit website. And then I have my Key Club card and some boba stuff. So yeah, other than that, that is pretty much my entire bag. Like I literally don't have anything in here anymore. With everything shown, I just wanted to say thank you once again, HighOh, for making this video possible. Thank you for sending me the pads. I will definitely use them in the future. And I will use this very soon, hopefully. So I will talk about it probably once again in a favorites video if I really liked it. So yeah. Other than that, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. I know my bag is kind of messy, so I hope you guys understand. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. It's right down below. And if you don't know me, I'm Gabby. I'm a YouTuber and I make fashion, lifestyle, beauty, and travel videos. So if you like that stuff, go ahead and subscribe. It's right down below, like I said. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye! 거칠은 폭풍 뒤 햇살 비치듯이 fall in love 삶은 사람의 상처받고